Mukawa-ini umwe guku Nairobi ni kuarugamiriri a bengi cia KCB, NCBA hamwe na kambuni ya Safaricom iria ikoragwo na ngwataniro ya kuheana ngombo cia fuliza mekurekagiriria ndumiriri ya kunyihia mbeca cia njoherera iria irihagio ngombo ici o muthenya.
Welcome His Excellency the President, Honorable Dr. William Samoei Ruto.
Igongona riri rigithiaga na mbere niguo mugeni utekwirigirirwo President William Ruto ekinyirie kuigwa ndumiriri eno iria marahuragira ndebe hindi ya campaign cia Kenya Kwanza.
On behalf of my government, appreciate that we are having a conversation today about hustlers. This is very important to me because they can't find their way to your good offices. They have given me instructions to come and speak to you about their issues.
Riu aria makoragwo mubango-ini wa fuliza ni manyihirio murigo wa kurihaga ngombo ciao amugicunje kia 50 hari igana kiria kirihagio ngombo ici o muthenya ni kieheretio na ikinya riri rikambiriria kurutithio wira Jumamothi ukite.
The 3-day free daily maintenance fee period will allow customers who currently use fuliza to complete more transactions while attracting more customers to the solution since it's more affordable. In addition, we are reducing the daily maintenance fee by 50% for fuliza transactions of 1,000 and below. Customers will also enjoy reductions in daily maintenance fee for transactions above 1,000 up to a maximum of 70,000.
Afitha munene wa kambuni ya Safaricom Peter Ndegwa augite mubango-ini wa guthairira a Kenya na gutigirira andu aingi makiria ni maheo mweke wa ngombo cia njoherera mangihotana nacio undu uria ukenereirwo ni President William Ruto.
The announcements you have made here are very positive in the right direction. I am very confident that walking this journey in the direction you have started, we will get to the correct destination. You are aware that in the last several months in the campaign, fuliza was a very popular word in our campaign.
Oho makiria ma Kenya milioni 4 aria matangihota kuoya ngombo ni undu wa kwandikithio na ruhonge rwa aria maremereirwo ni kuriha mathiri mao maya kuguneka gwikinyiria tariki 1 mweri wa 11 thutha wa bengi cikwanira kurora aria mandikithitio keri na kunyihanyihiria a Kenya gitango gia kuimwo ngombo.
The specific mechanisms for the credit repair and indeed access to credit will be communicated before 1st of November, Your Excellency.
Ikinya riri riamukiritwo na moko meri ni President Ruto hamwe na gavana wa bengi nene Patrick Njoroge aria maugite ati marihi maria mararihio ngombo cia thimu ni marahinyiriria a Kenya na thirikari ni ikwarira mitaratara mirumu gutigirira aheani ngombo ici matinatua a Kenya ngombo cia mathiri.
However, the cost of credit has been a major concern for Kenyans. Various initiatives are underway to address these concerns. We have listened. We will act.
First, I am very happy that between 4 and 5 million Kenyans will by beginning of November, they will be out of the blacklisting. That is very important.
Rianira ria kunyihia njoherera iria irihagio mathiri ma fuliza hamwe na kweheria Kenya milioni 4 kuma mitambo-ini ya CRB irigirirwo kuongerera namba ya Kenya aria maretia ngombo na gutigirira Kenya aya ati ni maheo ngombo na nyongerera cia thi kuma kuri mabengi na honge ingi cia uigithia. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma muciĩ munene wa Nairobi, njitagwo Mwangi wa Maina.